Welcome to Touring Globe. I'm going to put my hotel room safety to the test with an essential checklist that every careful traveler should know. This expanded list is especially useful for long stays, family travel, business trips, or international travel. 1. Safety and security check. Arrival and external security. Evaluate the neighborhood and surroundings of the hotel. Is it well lit and in a secure area? Observe the lobby and front desk area. Are staff present, attentive, and professional? Note whether there is visible security personnel or surveillance cameras in common areas. Room entrance and locks. Ensure that the door closes completely and locks securely without needing to be forced. Test all available door locks, including electronic keycard locks, manual deadbolts, door chains, and security latches. Look for any signs of tampering around the lock, frame, or door viewer. Confirm that the door viewer, peephole, provides a clear view of the hallway. Ensure it's not blocked, fogged, or missing. Emergency information and exits. Read the fire evacuation map, typically posted on the inside of the room door. Identify the closest emergency exits and stairwells. Never assume elevators will work in emergencies. Confirm the location of fire alarms, extinguishers, and sprinkler systems in the hallway. In-room safe and security features. Locate the in-room safe and verify it works. Test it using a temporary code to ensure it locks and unlocks correctly. If available, locate security instructions or emergency phone numbers near the phone or in a hotel directory. 2. Cleanliness and sanitation. General room cleanliness. Conduct an overall inspection of the room. Look at floors, walls, corners, and surfaces for signs of dirt, mold, or damage. Check under the bed and furniture for hidden trash, dust buildup, or pest droppings. Inspect light switches, remote controls, and door handles for cleanliness. These are often high-touch surfaces. Bedding and mattress check. Pull back all sheets and blankets to inspect the mattress and mattress pad. Look at the seams, edges, and corners of the mattress for bedbugs, stains, or unusual odors. Check for clean, white pillowcases with no visible stains or makeup marks. Confirm that the number of pillows and blankets provided meets your comfort needs. Bathroom hygiene inspection. Ensure that the toilet is flushed and clean, with a sealed or sanitized label if applicable. Check for signs of mold around the tub, tiles, shower curtain, and sink areas. Make sure there is a fresh roll of toilet paper plus at least one extra. Test hot and cold water from all taps and make sure drainage is smooth and fast. Flush the toilet to confirm it works correctly and doesn't leak or run. Look for bath mats and non-slip surfaces or grips in the tub, shower. Towels and toiletries. Confirm there are at least 2 clean bath towels, hand towels, and washcloths per person. Check for individually packaged or sealed toiletries, soap, shampoo, conditioner, lotion. Look for extra amenities such as vanity kits, dental kits, razors, or shower caps if needed. Drinking and dining utensils. Inspect all provided glassware and mugs for cleanliness, preferably they should be wrapped or sealed. Examine the ice bucket for cleanliness and ensure there is a sanitary liner or bag inside. Confirm that there is a spoon or stir stick provided with any coffee or tea supplies. 3. Room amenities inventory. Kitchenette or minibar, if applicable. Inspect the microwave, refrigerator, or stovetop for cleanliness and working condition. If a minibar is present, check the inventory and ensure there are no missing or previously opened items that could be charged to your account. Look for cookware, utensils, and dish soap if you have a kitchen or extended stay suite. Technology and connectivity. Power on the television and test the remote control. Browse through the channels and check if subscription services or streaming platforms are available. Connect to the hotel Wi-Fi and test for speed, password access, and reliability. Locate all available power outlets and USB ports. Confirm they are functional. Check if an alarm clock or docking station is available and works as intended. Turn on the air conditioning or heating unit. Check if the thermostat is adjustable and accurate. Listen for excessive noise, rattling, or smells coming from the unit. If the window's open, check for proper screens and airflow. Observe for signs of dampness, moisture damage, or poor ventilation. Closet and storage areas. Open the closet and inspect for enough hangers, wooden, padded, and clip hangers ideally. Check for an iron and ironing board in working condition. Look for luggage racks, robes, slippers, and laundry bags. Ensure drawers are empty and clean, with no leftover items from previous guests. 4. Comfort and convenience. Furniture inspection. Test the bed for comfort, lie down and ensure there is no sagging or noise. Sit in any chairs or on sofas to confirm they are stable and stain-free. Open and close nightstands and desks. They should operate smoothly and be free of debris. Lighting and ambience. Turn on all lights including overhead lights, desk lamps, and bedside lamps. Ensure there is sufficient lighting at night, especially near the entrance and bathroom. Check the dimmer controls or lighting settings, if available. Sound and noise check. With the door closed, observe the level of hallway noise. If facing a street, check if windows are soundproofed or if the curtains help reduce outside noise. Curtains and window treatments. Pull all curtains or blinds open and closed. Ensure they operate properly and provide full privacy. Look for blackout curtains if you are sensitive to light while sleeping. 5. Business and personal needs. Workspace usability. Sit at the desk or table. Ensure it's level and the chair is comfortable. Ensure the desk lamp is functional and bright enough for reading or working. Confirm access to a nearby power outlet for your laptop or devices. Phone and room directory. Test the in-room telephone by calling the front desk or a family member. Review the hotel directory or welcome booklet for hotel policies, service hours, and amenities. Make sure you understand how to request wake-up calls, housekeeping, and room service. 6. Final checklist before requesting a room change. Visible mold or mildew on ceilings, vents, or bathroom walls. Dirty or blood-stained mattress or pillowcases. Signs of bed bugs or insects, tiny rust-colored stains, exoskeletons. Unlocked or broken windows on lower floors. Non-functioning locks, peepholes, or security latches. Persistent foul or chemical odor. Poor heating or cooling system. Obvious dust buildup or debris. Non-functioning toilet or poor drainage. If any of these issues are present and cannot be resolved quickly, consider requesting a room change or speaking with hotel management. 7. Before departure. Double-check drawers, under the bed, and behind doors for personal belongings. Check the bathroom for toiletries and hanging clothes. Verify that all electronics and chargers are packed. Log out of any accounts you used on smart TVs or shared devices. Leave the room in reasonably clean condition. Turn in the keycards if required. Collect a receipt or ensure you receive a final bill via email. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the video.